How to add music in Instagram Note. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To add the music in your Instagram Note, it is basically very simple. All you need to do is tap on your Instagram icon at the top. Now from here you can check out your note feature. If you click on it, you will see the music icon that you can tap into. After that, just browse through the music that you wish to add as a note, or you can even search for music or artists of your own. Now for an example, if I want to add this particular song, all I have to do is simply tap on it, then adjust the lyrical or the part of the song that you wish to share in your note. After which you can just tap on the tick mark icon. You can even leave a emoticon if you wish to and tap on the share option. So this is how you add music into your Instagram Note. If you do not have such feature on your Instagram, this means your Instagram application needs an update. For that, you can check out your Play Store. If you are an iOS user, check your App Store. Now in here, if you do not have an update button, just uninstall your application and reinstall it later, or if you see the update button, just tap on it. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.